Hi guys, Elizabeth here. Welcome to my who knows how many part Declutter the Basement series this will be. If you're looking for the terrible mess and it's all cleaned up in one video, this is not it. My basement is a disaster. It's going to take me a long time. So let me show you what's going on in my basement. And then the first pass for this video is going to be the easy peasy get rid of. Here is the door into my basement. The problem I'm having is we just got 2 kitties last week and I can't let them in with me, or I would just shove what I'm getting rid of out the door because I don't have any room in here. But when they did this room, they didn't finish up, and there's like holes and ways to get up underneath the house, and if the cats ever got up there, I don't know how I would ever get them out. So when you walk in the door, which I can't mimic because the cats are right outside ready to jump in, I've got all these tables that I used to hold crappage in my other basement. These are the leaves of the table. There's miscellaneous, some of them are empty boxes. Kids' toys that my grandkids are too old for now. I also have kids' toys that the grandkids are too young for. Miscellaneous extra stuff. Here is one of those high chairs. This, I did a video once before and I never posted it, of all these toys that I packed up that were too young. Maybe I can get in and open that box at some point. But so a lot of toys, some boxes. At one point I thought I was going to keep the boxes and sell the kids' toys, but I think I'm just going to give them to Goodwill or Salvation Army. I've gotten a lot of toys from there, so I'm just going to donate them. There's some packaging stuff like your gift bags and bows and stuff. Who knows? I mean, I hate to say it, but a lot of this basement is a who knows situation. There is this. It was a old time, you know how those used to have those big wood entertainment centers. So this is totally. You see that knob just came off? That was highly useful. Let me try to put that back on before I lose it in the basement. So everything is totally packed. Who knows what's in here? Oh, in here, like even those little hidden compartments where you used to put like VHS tapes and stuff, that's totally packed with stuff. Wow, I've been looking for those. Guys, I had been looking for those. Couldn't find them anywhere. Now I know. This, of course, is just... I can't even describe what all this stuff is. There's more toys under here. I don't know if they're too young, too old. I need to go through them. Oh, and that's not all. Not just the perimeter. But here's furniture. We are keeping that end table. And I know you can't see it. There's actually a coffee table under here that needs it. The top raises up, but it needs to be fixed. But I need to get everything off so I can fix it. And eventually, when the kids get older, we'll make like a sitting area down in the basement. So, let's see. Let's pick off the easy pickings, the easy fruit, the low-hanging fruit. What's that phrase? Low-hanging fruit? Okay. For this round, it's going to be toys. I know my grandkids, I got a 7-year-old girl and a 3-year-old boy that I know is too small. This. Granddaughter loved it. Grandson had no interest in it. Just in case you were thinking about buying one. I would love to be able to throw it out the door, but I know my new kitten is just waiting to jump in here and cause trouble. This, I cannot recommend it enough. One of those lay and play toys. Hopefully someone will enjoy that. What else do we got here? Compatible car seat. Okay, I think we're done with this. Because she's in just a booster and he is in like a forward seat. So this car seat thing can go. You know, my only staging area is by the door. I'm not going to be able to get out of here at the end. So, let's see, what else do we got low hanging fruit? I mean, I literally have to sidestep through my basement. This, it's a writing blue doll, and it can go. He enjoyed that now, but we have a, you know, like a bigger rocking horse, and he's actually getting kind of old for that because he'll be on it like for one ride, and he'll be like, giddy up, little pony or whatever, and then he gets off. So I imagine that'll be going pretty soon, but that's out. And the other one. Why do I have, this is my Shark empty box for my vacuum that I use upstairs. I can get rid of that. I've had it long enough to know it works. My Pro Steam box, they had a big sale on vacuum cleaners and steamers at Kroger's. I snapped it right up. That box can go. I'll check them after the video to make sure I don't have any manuals or anything in them, but that box can go. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I bought my husband a case box, I don't know, 12-pack of different wines from small wineries and stuff. Gave it to him for Christmas. He went on diabetes medicine. He can't drink alcohol the January after it. So that was highly useful. We gave most of them away. We have like 2 or 3 bottles in our refrigerator for when people come. But that turned out to be a gift. A gift I probably shouldn't have given. But of course, when I purchased it, and this is the stuff that holds the top. When I purchased it, obviously, I thought he'd be drinking it. This got some packing materials. I'm actually going to keep that in case I need to box small stuff up. But why? It doesn't even have a top. Guys, this is crazy. This box, I might keep it to... The thing with the boxes that I am keeping now is to take stuff to Goodwill, just in case. Okay, what else do we have here? The pack and play. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I can't even lift the pack and play, guys. Let me lift this first. This is one of those play seats, and I didn't even have it for the first grandkid. The second grandkid loved it. I'm sorry if I'm off. As you can see, my hands are full. This is, I mean, you guys are just looking at one area of my basement. What a disaster. I have the Graco pack and play. I seriously can't even pick it up. Let me see. Well, I don't have any room. Just trust me, the pack and play is going. Okay, what do I have here? This goes with this seat I'm still using. Wait a minute, what's going on here? I have a booster seat in here. Oh, okay. This is the back portion of the booster seat. She's wearing just the seat part. I am going to keep this, and this is a spare strip for what's in the car now. I'm going to keep this because when my grandson gets old enough, he'll need that back. The potty, he's 3 years old. We're using that upstairs. I'm trying to teach him how to use potty. I'm kind of excited. I've got one corner done already. This goes to that seat. I hope I'm not boring the heck out of you guys. If you don't like this kind of video where you see me real time cleaning out the basement, let me know, because I don't want to bore you guys to death. But this is my life, and this is how it's going to work with me cleaning out the basement. So what I can't believe is just how much I know needed to go. And how, I mean, he's 3. He hasn't been in this seat for so long. Got a little bib in there. You know, before I packaged it up, I made sure everything was washed and cleaned and Lysol wiped or whatever. So that seat is going. I have nowhere to put it. I will set it there. And just show you real quick this bin that I'll be taking out, and then we'll be done. But I filled this up. Did you see that? A bunch of boxes, just blocks just went off the edge. You know, so these are these little playthings. At the previous video that I never put up, when I thought I was going to keep them all for another 3 or 4 years to see if I have more grandkids, I went through, I washed everything, I disinfected everything, and put it in here. I'm actually going to take these things out and put them in garbage bags and take them to the Salvation Army or Goodwill that way, because I need this plastic bin for storage. And so let's do a real quick recap. I'm making more of a mess than you can imagine, but everything that is by that door that now I can't get out is going. I'm going to have to take the kitties and lock them into somewhere, lock them into a room so I can take it out. So the first one, all that's going. All this is going. The bin is staying, but everything in that inside the bin is going. The high chair, it's one of those high chairs you like have straps to tie to your regular chair. And the pack and play. So that's it for this one. It's been about 10-12 minutes, and I pretty much cleared out a little bit of space, or at least the top half of all the mess that was climbing the walls. And I'll talk with you later. Oh, wait a minute. We got another minute or two. You know what's over here? This click-clack. They're still using this, but you know what? I used to keep all the boxes because I was like, well, I'm going to sell those toys. No, I'm not. I'm just going to give them away. I've heard where, like, you open your hand to give it away and you can receive new things. I'm not going to keep the boxes. When it comes time, I'm going to give those toys away. This click-clack is going. Those boxes are going. So, thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. I hope this wasn't too boring. Let me know. I like to film in real time. I don't do a lot of editing, but if it's driving you crazy, let me know. Talk with you later. Bye.